In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can set up a meeting in Teams. When you launch your Teams, what you want to do is select Calendar, then select New Meeting here from the top far right. Here add a title for your meeting. Here you're going to add your invitees. So let's say MR Morrison. It will detect my contact. Here you select the date which you want the meeting to be held. Here you select your start time for the meeting, let's say 2:30 p.m. And here you can select the end date of the meeting. Here you can choose the time when you want the meeting to end. So by default, all meetings are for 30 minutes. To change it from 30 minutes, you select the drop down here and select the duration that you desire. You could also enter a custom time, let's say 4:35, and you have the option to even set it for all day. You can also decide if you want the meeting to repeat by selecting this option that says do not repeat, right? So these are the different frequencies which you can set a meeting to repeat for. Here you can set a location. So let's say our location is Teams, right? Here in the details section, you can add your meeting agenda. Once you're satisfied with your meeting agenda, you can select Send. So the meeting has been created and the invitation has been shared with others. You could also copy this meeting invite, right? And save it in a Word document or even send it in a separate email. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.